buddies, I'm going to go kill a bird today and we're gonna eat the meat. And then today is Florence channel, okay? Let's go. You wait first because there's car. Let's go. But today it's a little bit cold, so the birds are like up somewhere, but we have to find them. Here, you have to be so careful about snakes, okay? There's thick grass here, but maybe it's okay, there's no snakes. But today, my weapon is this. My brother's is, I'm just gonna get it from his pocket, is this. And then, today, let's go that way, all the way there, like to the woods. There's a lot of birds there, so let's go there and kill some birds. Guys, we're here in the tambos. You know what's a tambos is, like some type of thing to grow some food like this. So you have to be so careful because birds sometimes they're chairo. You know what's chairo mean? Like brown. So they have to be eyesight bigger. Mud sometimes, so you have to use like any shoes, but not slippers that you use inside, okay? You're gonna get your father or somebody's shoes is gonna get dirty and they're gonna get angry to you, so don't use slippers, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're here right now, and then I told you about the tambo thing, and we are going in the tambo, so let's go. Right there, but maybe I think it's a bird or not, but maybe when we go closer, we see it moving, the bird. Guys, maybe I think I got him, but we don't know still because he didn't move. Let's go. But maybe there's a lot of grass here, so maybe there's a lot of birds. That's why we're gonna kill a lot to eat today. Alito. Hello. crow lagi. Guys, I'm so sorry to speak Philippines, but I said they can crawl in these tunnels. But they're so fast. There's another one maybe in here, but we don't know.
Dali, dali.
Guys, there's one bird just up there. But I know there's babies here because that bird was a mother. So I know there's babies here, so I have to just keep looking this way. But be careful, don't die, okay? You fall down this edge, you're dead. Let's go, guys. Okay.